Hey guys, it's Kendra. So today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve my one product curly hair routine using a gel. Yes, these results are from one gel, and if you guys are styling cream kind of girls or mousse girls, then I'm going to show you how to achieve these results using gel. So just keep on watching. Okay, so like always, I always start with freshly washed and deep conditioned hair, and the star product of this video is going to be my Keracare Clear Protein Styling Gel. And if you guys absolutely still would like to use a leave-in, the Eden Body Works Hydration Serum or the Carol's Daughter leave-in works really well with this gel, but for me and for this video, I'm only going to be using the gel. And I'm going to start at the very back of my hair like I always do, and for this routine I'm going to be using the Shingling Method. And if you guys have never seen or heard of this technique, it's a great way to get the most defined curls that you could ever have, and I've been loving this technique. I've actually done this before in my last curly hair routine that I filmed last summer, so if you guys want to check that video out, you can watch that after this one. And I think in that video I only did it in the front of my head. For this routine I'm going to be doing my entire head. So you're going to want to take kind of like smoothing motions and twist it at the same time. It's easier to watch it than me explaining it. And also the key to this one product curly hair routine is to deep condition your hair overnight, and you want to have properly detangled hair. That is the key to getting the best results and the most manageable hair when doing this technique. And the reason I like to deep condition overnight is because my hair is not gonna have like a leave-in conditioner applied before the gel like I would usually do. So the overnight deep conditioning kind of creates that nice coat of moisture over top of your hair before applying a gel. And of course you want to make sure it's properly detangled, because hello, not well detangled hair is going to create a nightmare for any curly hair routine, but especially if you do the shingling method, it's not going to go well and you're going to create a lot of knots in your hair and it's just not going to be fun. So I highly recommend having a nice smooth foundation before you go in with the shingling method. So detangled hair is key. So I'm just going to continue that same technique throughout my entire head. I know it's pretty repetitive at this point, but if you are unfamiliar with the shingling method and you don't know how to do it, I highly recommend not skipping to the very end of the video to see my results, and I recommend watching the rest of the video through to learn how to do this technique, because I feel like the easiest way to learn how to do this is to see it over and over. So repetition is key if you're learning how to do this and you want to try it on yourself. So here I just want to show you guys a close-up of the curls from the shingling method. No curl left behind, very shiny, very defined, so that's why I love it. So after I'm done applying the gel to my entire head, I'm just going to let my hair air dry, and that usually takes an eternity. But these are my results, and with the Keracare gel, I hardly ever have to apply an oil like I do with some of my other gels. I just usually just fluff out my hair and it just looks better and better as the days go by. So that completes this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you try it out, and thank you guys so much for watching.